Instrumental.
Yeah. Too Long Boy, Maniac. Hey, Too Long Boy and Maniac. Hey, homie, I think we got another hit. Yeah. Y'all know the party starter, same niggas they call the panty droppers, making women shake and bake, they toss them like a paper plate, cause it's always on to the next one. You can shake it good, but I'ma need the best one. Matter of fact, I'ma need the best three to hop in the whip with the captain of the steed. Fuck you mean you ain't stripping for free? Better take your clothes off and do something for my team. Well, if not, then your bestie will. Best friends reveal whatever you conceal. Baby, I'm just trying to start up something. You don't like rappers, baby, why you pop star frontin'? Niggas hating, saying we ain't nothing, but they girls be dancing whenever they hear the dynasty coming. Attention, please. Not everybody, I'ma need you. Not everybody. Yo, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop. Not everybody. Not everybody. Hey, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop. We in a party, so it's back on track. She with the bullshit, that's why she still whack. But her friend with the action, while her man in the back waiting and waiting for her to come out. But she ain't trying to lead till the party let out. So I gotta get the digits, add it to the friend list of down to fuck bitches, smashed then dismissed. Man, you know how it is with the scandalous women. Stop handcuffing nigga and stop tripping, crying cause she wasn't 100 to begin with. Money, cash flow, that's the only business that you should be attending. Instead you rather have your head up the ass of these scheming ass women. But niggas keep hating, saying we ain't nothing, but they girls dancing when they hear the dynasty coming. Attention please. Not everybody, I'ma need you. Not everybody. Yo, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop. Not everybody. Not everybody. Hey, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop. Not everybody, I'ma need you. Not everybody. Yo, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop. Not everybody. Not everybody. Hey, niggas stop hating, wipe your eyes and stop.